Hello and welcome back to Tons of Toys. We have a very special episode for you today. We are going to be making ice cream out of Play-Doh. I don't know about you, but ice cream is one of my favorite foods. Now, in order to make ice cream out of Play-Doh, all you need is two things. You just need all of your Play-Doh, and all you need is some popsicle sticks so that you can hold them. We're going to start by making an ice cream popsicle out of two colors. Let's pick two. How about blue and pink? Let's start with these guys. Now what we're gonna do is we're gonna grab a little bit of Play-Doh from each one of these colors. So we're gonna grab a little bit of blue, maybe a little bit more. I'm gonna put that down there. And then I'm gonna grab a little bit of pink. About the same amount. Okay. So we have our two Play-Doh colors, and what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna just roll it out. Now let's line them up so they're about the same length here. Okay, so once they're about the same length, let's put them next to one another and then kind of push them together here. There we go. Okay, so we've got them together here. What we're going to do is we're going to put them at a bit of an angle. And grab your popsicle stick, and we're going to put our popsicle stick right here at the bottom, but at a bit of an angle. And then what we're going to do is we're just going to roll our Play-Doh ice cream up. And there we go. Got a Play-Doh ice cream popsicle stick. There we go. Now, how many of you on YouTube enjoy just a chocolate ice cream? Well, we can make chocolate ice cream too. Let's grab the brown Play-Doh here. We're gonna grab a good amount of it because that's all we're gonna be using. That's all, the only color we're gonna be using in this one is brown. There we go. And then let's just roll it out. Alright, now that we've rolled out our brown Play-Doh, we're going to do the same thing as last time. We're going to grab a nice popsicle stick here, but first, let's lay this Play-Doh at a bit of an angle so it's a little easier to roll up. We're going to place our popsicle stick at the bottom here, and then we're going to very carefully roll up. There we go. We've got a chocolate popsicle stick made out of Play-Doh. We got some chocolate Play-Doh ice cream in a popsicle stick. Alright. Put that one over here. Hey guys, let's try another way of making Play-Doh ice cream popsicles. Let's grab a couple different colors. We're gonna make this next popsicle stick so that the first half is one color, and then it turns into another color. We're gonna do a little light green, and then we're gonna do a little pink. I don't know how you guys feel about strawberry ice cream. I'm a big fan. Let's grab a little Play-Doh from each one of these, and we'll roll it out. A little bit of pink for that strawberry ice cream. And then let's grab a little bit of green for that lemon lime. Alright, let's roll them out. Alright, we got our green. Let's roll out our strawberry. Got a little too thin at the end there. Alright, now that we have them about the same length, we're actually going to take them and just connect them in the middle here. Instead of putting them side by side, and we're going to put them at that angle that we've been talking about. Let's move them down a little bit here. We're going to put them at that angle again. And then let's grab our popsicle stick and let's roll it up. Let's roll it out a little bit just to even it out. Let's take a look. Our ice cream stick turned from strawberry to lemon lime. Just like that. Isn't that something? Okay, let's make one more ice cream popsicle. Let's make a grape and orange ice cream popsicle. Alright, just like before, let's grab a little bit of orange. Got that there, and let's grab a little bit of grape or purple Play-Doh. Let's roll them out. Now this time, what we're going to do is we're going to twist these together before we roll them up. So we're just going to do a little twist here. And just keep on twisting. There we go. And we just roll this one out a bit. Alright, and let's grab one more popsicle stick and let's roll it up. There we go. Grape and orange ice cream popsicle. Hey guys, if you enjoyed making ice cream popsicles out of really cool colored Play-Doh with me here today on Tons of Toys, make sure you subscribe and of course, give us a thumbs up. Bye-bye.